Excuse me. Hello, you're looking at a 2002 Chevy 3500 utility body truck. It's a work truck. It's not perfect. Has some miles on it, and the motor has a miss in it. But couple reasons could be for that. It does start right up. It would be raining now. It wasn't raining when I started this, but actually has an oil change sticker. It said it had 235 in 09, so it's been 2 years, so it may have been sitting around in the fleet, but or because of the miss they stopped using it, one or the other. It drives okay, but it does have a miss in it. Not sure what's going on with the miss. Figure the worst, and if it's something like a spark plug or a wire, it'll really come out. But figure it to be a burn valve or something similar to that. It's got, most of the tires are really good. This one's good. One of the back ones is good. One of them is mediocre. Same on the other side. Has the shelves. Has keys to the shelves. Trailer hitch. Also got a really nice looking spare there. Looks like it's brand new. One rough spot in the bed, but otherwise the bed's really pretty good shape. Whoops, that was my license tag. Put it on real quick and we'll go for a quick ride. We are in Bel Air, Maryland, which is about 20 miles north of Baltimore. We do a lot of eBay auctions. We try and describe them the best we can. This is a work truck. It's missing a mirror, but I might go to Pep Boys and try to get another one. It may not be the same, but anyhow, has a Redding utility body and ladder racks on it. Utility body is in good shape. It's not all rotted out. It's not perfect, but it's not all rotted out. If you're looking for a work truck, you want to load up on tools, lock them up. We do have keys to the boxes too. And it's a heavy duty 3500 HD. See if I can read this inspection. Had an inspection. It was good till 7-11. And actually that inspection was only done 2,000 miles ago. But it is expired now. Radio works. Hard to tell whether the air is working, but it is blowing. And the heat works. The service engine soon light is on, which usually comes along with a miss in the motor. Get my seatbelt on here, excuse me. There we go. Even with the miss, we drove this 120 miles on the highway. It was no problem. So if you're coming from out of town, it will drive you home. In fact, we pick up at the airport or the bus station or train station all the time. They give you a temporary tag to drive it back. Trucks like this are advertised all over the market. The body and the heavy-duty trucks like this are very expensive. But it's going to get sold at a fraction of, you know, what that would cost. Needs a little bit of this and that. Maybe a couple tires. Maybe something to the motor. Maybe a major tune-up. Maybe a valve job, something similar. feels tight on the road, and the transmission shifts fine. Turn this on. You can tell it's a 3500 by the way it drives. They'll haul the heavy stuff, that's for sure. It is no reserve, so the top bidder will get it. Please do not bid unless you have your finances together or you're prepared, to finish the transaction. Because we sell them. You might think, I'll never get it for that. I'll just try the bid. And then you get it and you haven't prepared. Please don't do that to us. If you're thinking about shipping something like this, look into uship.com. It's a website owned by eBay, and you'll get your best price for shipping there. Especially if you can catch somebody going your way empty, you might be surprised. And similar, it's a reverse auction, and the shippers have feedback. We're going 50 some right here. That's about all I can do on this road, but goes down the road nicely. If you got a lot of tools, or even want to take the bed off, just want a heavy duty truck, people do that too. We have a clear title. Again, we can give you a temporary license tag, good for 60 days to get it home and everything you need to title it wherever you're from. If I get over here. Okay. Please don't tell me. I didn't read where it has a miss in the motor. It's not overheating, charging. So anyway, buy this Chevy 3500 HD Redding utility body.